Hello guys, welcome to channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are doing the tips, tricks, hidden features and settings for video of the Nothing Phone 2, and this is the 12GB to 5GB variant of the Nothing Phone 2 in the dark grey color. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this is the Nothing Phone 1. So starting off from the flip to glyph feature, so I would show you. So if I just place my phone down in the normal mode, it automatically goes to silent mode instant. That is the flip to glyph. So I will show you how to set this up. So settings, and scroll down all the way to the system, and upon here you can see gestures and you can see flip to glyph. So what happens is, if your phone is in the normal mode, and instantly when you put your phone like this, it instantly goes to silent mode, and whenever you are receiving incoming calls or notifications, just the glyph interface will blink. That's it regarding the flip to glyph feature. So anyways, it's a really cool one. And apart from that, we have the system navigation options. We can use either the gesture navigation or the 3-button navigation, which is available over there, and we have few customization also regarding that, from back button on the left side or back button on the right side. So that's it. So here, if we tap over here, and actually we can adjust the sensitivity. That means if I left edge sensitivity, I just left, you can see only this much area is there for the back, and if I just go to the center, you can see this much area would be act as back, and if I just full to height, this much area would be act as back. That means if I just swipe on the left like this also, then it would be activated. So if I just lower this, then it won't get back like this. See, no back happens. But if I do the same with the high mode, it automatically happens the back. So that is it. I would keep it recommend on the middle. So that's it regarding system navigation. Next is quickly open camera. That means if you double press this power button, instantly the camera would be open. So that's it regarding the gestures. Then we have tap to show lock screen, lift to show lock screen. These two options are available. Next is press and hold for assistant. That means if you press the power button, you can see instantly the Google Assistant will be appear. But actually, I would recommend, if you need your power menu, then just tap over here and just turn this off. Then instantly when you press and hold, just the power menu appears. That is more convenient in my personal opinion. So this is it regarding the gestures, which is over there. And now the next is, without pressing any buttons, I'm gonna unlock my phone. You can see currently my phone is lying down over there, and without pressing any buttons, I'm gonna unlock. You can see I did not press any buttons. How to set this up? First of all, just go to settings and just go to the lock screen options. So it's in the security and privacy, and just tap over here and just tap the device lock, and first of all go to the face unlock, and I'm typing my pin. Done. And you can see I add your face data. And next thing is skip swipe on unlock. What happens is, if this is turned off, what happens is, see, currently when I lift the phone, instantly my face would be recognized, but you can see unlock by face, but swipe need to unlock. So you just need to go to face unlock, and then 1 2 3 4 pin and swipe. Now you can see whenever I lift my phone, instantly it's unlocked. One more feature is there. Again, go to settings, and again go to the gesture, which we are talking about right now. So system gestures, and this was the feature. That means lift it to show lock screen. So if this is turned off, nothing would happen. If I lift the phone, you can see if I lift the phone, nothing is happening. So you need to turn that feature also. So along with this and the skip swipe, unlock would be really fast. Next, the theme hype of the Nothing Phone 2 is obviously the glyph interface. So starting off from the settings, and you can have the glyph interface option. So first of all, the thing is, you can automatically adjust the brightness based on the surrounding light. So that is in auto. And the next thing is, you can manually adjust. So this is the low. This you can have a slider over there, medium, and you can have, this is the maximum. So you can automatically adjust. Either you can switch to auto for that, or you can dial up manually. And next we have the ringtones option over there. And starting off, we have some 10 new ones: crossing, ripple, pulse, wings, dolphin, Anna, sticks, wizard, hammer, cloud. So next is the glyph timer. So that is really good. So actually I have set, you can set the timer like this. So I'm just setting for 15 seconds for the moment right now. So, and I just place my phone down like this. You can see the timer is activated. So 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. See, so that is a really cool one. So that is the glyph timer. And next is a volume indicator. So that means if you increase the volume like this, you can see full volume. If I decrease the volume, medium. So that is the volume indicator option, which is also available. Next, we have a glyph composer also, which we can manually create glyphs, and actually we can adjust the tones also. Actually, if you just tap the over here, actually you can see, and if you just tap and change this, actually you can see a different kind of type sound, and then we can change another one. See, and next just be another range of sounds. So you can manually, and you can see another. But at that time when you select a 10-second audio, we can just select one. So I'm currently selecting this one, and I'm going to start the recording. And okay, done. Save. So 600. So this is it. So this is the glyph composer. Next, we have a charging meter over there. So that means when you charge the phone from 0 to 100, it will just go on progressing. So that is a charging meter. Next, we have also Google Assistant also along with the glyph would be. So if we are getting a response from Google, it will also light up the glyph. So that is the Google Assistant. Just make sure you turn it on. And then glyph progress. Actually, it's currently supported just for Uber, but in forecast, if you ask me, it might be supported to more apps like Zomato, more of the delivery apps that would be delivered. So actually the glyph progress would be going on and on and on like this. So that is also available based on the arrival and departure ranges and all. So that's it in the glyph zone. Next is the app lock. So just go to the apps and you can see app locker. So I am just typing 1 2 3 4, done, and I'm locking Adobe benchmark. So it's done, and you can see when the next time if I open Adobe benchmark, you can see it's locked. So I can unlock with my fingerprint, and you can see it's done. And the very next time if I open Adobe benchmark, you can see I open Adobe, it opened without any lock. So each and every time I open the Adobe benchmark, it should be locked. How to set that up? So again, go into settings and just scroll down to find the option. Again, once again, go to the apps and just go to the app locker over here, and you can type your pin 1 2 3 4. So and you can see lock app when it is screen is locked. You can just switch to screen is locked or exits the app. So now if I open Adobe benchmark, okay, unlock. The next time again lock and unlock, so that you are good to go in that way. Next is dual app. That means using two WhatsApp, two Facebooks at the same time. So it's called cloned apps in the nothing. So you can see other apps. All the apps would be supported. The cloned apps will be listed over here. You can just tap like this and turn on the. So you can see YouTube 1 along with YouTube 2. I did not install WhatsApp and regarding stuff, else it would be over there. So you can access two of them at the same time. That's called cloned apps. Now next, move to the display settings. So here is a display, and starting off you have getting a dark theme, and then we have status bar options, and here you can have an option to show the network speed. So you can see show the network speed if downloading and uploading happens. So let me turn the mobile data over there. So I turned on mobile data. You can see speed is showing over there, and then currently the battery percentage is not shown. So you can just tap over here. Now currently the battery percentage is also shown, and along with that you can see the uploading speed is also showing over there. So that is the status bar, and then display size and text. You can see you can just increase or decrease based on your needs, and then you can also increase the display size also. Then if you want the bold text, you can have the options over there. High contrast text options are also available, and then we have the night light option. Okay, so that means night light essentially is a blue light filter on the nothing. So if you are using your phone in the night in your room without any light turned on, you should turn on this night light option. Next, this is a 6.7-inch LTPO display, so we can have the refresh rate from all the way to 1 Hz to 120 Hz. So here is option. This is a dynamic 1 Hz to 120 Hz, and also we are getting standard 60 Hz or maximum 120 Hz option is also there. Then we have HDR display. That means this have a peak brightness of 1600 nits of peak brightness. So actually you can have HDR display, enable peak brightness for HDR content. This is also available over there. And Next is another interesting thing. That means if someone sends you a WhatsApp message and then they deleted that message for everyone, and what happens is it should receive on your phone, but even before you read that message, it's gone. No need to worry. This have a built-in option. You can see notifications. Just tap over here and just enable this. Each and every notification with the exact timestamp will be shown over there. So this is not then nothing exclusively. This is available for the Android, and that is also available over there. So that is the notification history option. And then apart from that, we have the lock screen and always on display. So starting off, we can so you can see add text on lock screen. Just give a, my favorite is God is love, so I'm just writing God is love, and if I just, you can see God is love. Next, you are lock screen shorted. By default, you would not have any notification. By default, you can have just this fingerprint scanner only, but actually currently you can see I just tap the button left, and you can see I assign to torch and camera. So you can see on the right I assign to camera, and on the left I assign to the torch, but actually this is just having minimalized customization only. Next is a lock screen customization, and I was really amazed to see the lock screen customization because I just compared it with the Samsung's One UI. So this is the One UI customization, and you can see you can adjust the styles. You can see like this styles, its font styles, its colors and all, but it's gone to a next level on the nothing. And you can just, I will just give a tap over here. This is the lock screen, and starting off we can add widgets to the lock screen. Currently my lock screen look like this, just have the time, and if I just add this, so it add a timer, and along with that we can add any of the notification toggles. That's the best part. So that means if I just tap over here, so I need to turn on Bluetooth, so I just add the Bluetooth, and if I need to turn on another one, let be we call alarm, I just add the alarm, and you can add another widget. So actually at that time 3 would be applicable, and now you can see this Bluetooth. If I need to turn on the Bluetooth, just tap instantly over here. But another thing which I just noticed that, so if I just turn on the Bluetooth, it happened without unlocking the phone. That means any third party can do this. So actually see, someone just can turn off the Bluetooth without the access. So I think that's another area. So anyways, it's a area of improvement. So I wish if someone press this, it automatically scans for the either the face, then if it is an authorized one, then it should turn on. That's my way of thinking. That's absolutely my personal opinion, and this is how I just set up. You can see my time along with mobile data turn on or off, along with Wi-Fi turn on or off. Wow, it's really cool. Next, iOS users can relate this. I'm just turning off my screen for the always on display. So this is always on display, and this is my lock screen, always on display, lock screen, and home screen. So you can see how well that is implemented. You can see this is always on display over here, and you can instantly use this. Wow, it's a really cool implementation of the always on display along with the lock screen implementation, and works really seamlessly. The way that screen dims to the always on display looks really cool. So let it automatically turn off the screen for the always on display. How to set up that transition? So just go to settings and just scroll down to find the option again, lock screen, and you can see another option for the always on display. Always show basic info of lock screen. By default it would be turned off. You should turn on this for this awesome look like this, from this to this. Wow. Next is some range of customization. So starting off from the customization, you can have wallpaper and style, and you can have the color palette options like this. Currently you can see this color is available, and you can just adjust to any other colors like this. Actually it comes with just the basic colors only, not some fancy colors as we see on other live. Let me enable this one, and you can see, wow, still looks nice. And if I just on the dark theme, it looks even cool. So that is the wallpaper and customization. Enable, along with that we have wallpaper scrolling. That means if you scroll through the home screen, it would be wallpaper also along with it moving. So along with that we have home screen layout, and you can see app edit 4 apps or 5 apps. You can see you can now assign 5 apps on the home screen, or you can set to 4 apps, and whether you need app labels. So you can see photos currently have app labels. If I just turn off this, you can see app label is turned off, but actually this looks really cool. Then display search bar in the dock. So currently if I just turn off this, you can't see the search bar, and if I just turn on, you can see a search bar also. So that is really essential, because whenever you need to Google search, just go and do it. And then we have the icon packs, by you can have the default, you can have the nothing, and you have the color. And actually my favorite is nothing itself, which looks really cool. Next we have the notifications, and if you just tap on this icon you can add more. So you can just add, actually extra dim is a really cool option, so just let me drag and I will explain. And then apart from that we have the mic access and camera access. Let me add that portion. And then apart from that you can add a calculator, so that would be really essential. And then apart from that, yeah, apart from that it seems okay. Let's add 100 mode also. Okay, so these are the essential ones, and I would show you the extra dim. So if I just turn on the brightness the maximum, and you can see the harsh light is just getting into the eyes. But if I just turn on the extra dim, take a close look, see, you can see currently the brightness is maintained in the phone, but actually the extra harsh light is not coming out. So that is the extra dim. You can see now it's coming out, and if I just versus, it's keeping the brightness in the screen but not too externally. So that is it. Next is 100 mode. So just gonna turn on the 100 mode, and what happens is how to turn this on. So just give a small drag on the bottom like this, and if I just tap, it will be automatically go back and see. And I will show you the 100 mode options also. So just press and hold over here, and you can see full screen to reach like this. And 100 mode shortcut, you can just make sure you turn it on or off, so you can have an accessibility bar every time for 100 mode. But actually I would just recommend to delete this because this is really convenient like this. So just use that one. If you think that you have installed an application from a third-party site, not from the Google Play Store, and you might be wondering if that application might be accessing your camera at the real time, so don't be worried. Just you can just turn off this camera access, or you can also turn off this microphone access. Even your stock camera application can't use the camera. You can see I just open the camera, you can see it can't access the camera. So once you disable that, no applications installed on the phone can access the camera. So you need to just access this. Now you can open the camera access and just click, you can see the camera is activated. And along with that you can also disable the microphone in the same way. You can see microphone access enabled, microphone access disabled. Okay, now let's move to the cameras. So starting off, we are getting slow motion, either 120p at 240 or 120p at 480 or 120p at 120. And then we have the video, we can record up to 4K at 60 fps, and we have a action mode which enables to shoot stabilization, and you can see 120p at 60 fps. And along with that we have some modes like HDR mode, grid mode, and we can turn on the recording light on or off, and that is also available. And you can shoot in either 1x or 2x. And then we have the photo, we have the filter options available over there. And then let me go to the photo, and we have the timer options. And along with that you can also shoot in 50 MB. You can see quality 50 MB. Currently it's on default 12 MB. You can get more color vibrancy on the 12 MB, but if you go to 50 MB the detailing would be really high, but the color vibrancy would not that be great. Okay, and then along with that we have the portrait mode. We can adjust the bokeh effect over here like that. And then along with that we have some retouching options which is available over there, strong, natural, or retouching on or off, that is also available. Then along with that we have the filter options. And then more we have the time-lapse panorama macro and expert mode, which is a pro mode. That means automatically adjust the ISO, white balance and all. That also option is also available. Then we have the more settings, and over there we can have this watermark option which is available over there. Watermark, just turn it on or off. Then we have the mirrored front camera option, and then just tap to take a photo. Just tap on the camera to take a photo, that is also available. So if you just photo, just take it, give a tap, see, to take a photo, no need to press any of the buttons. So that is also cool. So again, go to the more settings, and then we have the recording light for the video and scene detection. That means with the help of AI, then press and hold the shutter button to record video or for the burst shot. We can also do this. That means currently it's on record video. So if I just am in the photo mode, so I will show you. If I am in the photo, I just press, it will take a photo, but if I press and hold, automatically went to the video. So that is it, the feature which I'm talking about. And if you want to take moves assigned to the burst shot, it is also available. So again, go into settings, more settings, just tap over here, press and hold to the burst shot. Now it will take multiple shots instead of the video. See, take 20 or 30 shots at the same time. So this was it regarding the quick tips, tricks, hidden features and settings video of the Nothing Phone 2. So guys, that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.